Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. How are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your school, your schoolmates and teachers. But no problem, class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. Now, today our second term has been started. And the date today is 19 January 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Today our main topic of interest is English grammar and we are going to do some of the review first. Okay, class, as if I told you, today we are going to do some of the review. You people have studied adjectives, so today we are going to proceed towards degrees of adjectives. Fine. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. ठीक है ना? Adjective वो word होता है जो कि noun को describe करता है. It describes about the quality or the drawback of a noun. यानी किसी भी noun की अच्छाई या बुराई बताता है. Fine. So, for example, you can say like that, the girl, you can see the girl over here, the girl is very lovely. Okay? So, girl is a noun here and lovely shows the quality of the girl. Fine. So, that is an adjective. Okay, so today we are going to, study about degrees of adjectives. How many? There are 3 degrees of adjectives. Fine. Number 1 is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and the third one is superlative degree. Okay, as if I told you, there are 3 degrees of adjectives. Number 1 is positive, second one is comparative, and the third one is superlative. Fine. What is a positive degree? When we are going to describe about one object, the quality of any one object, that is the positive degree of adjective. For example, you can see the picture over here of a yellow apple, the bigger one. Fine. If I say the apple is small, ठीक है ना? If we are going to describe about the adjective of a noun, सिंगुलर नाउन, एक चीज़ के बारे में अगर हम उसकी क्वालिटी बयान कर रहे हैं, उसका ड्रॉबैक बयान कर रहे हैं, उसकी ड्रॉबैक कहते हैं बुराई को, ठीक है ना? उसका ड्रॉबैक, कोई फ्लॉ या कोई उसकी तारीफ बयान कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू डिस्क्राइब अबाउट द क्वालिटी or drawback of a singular noun. For that we have to use positive degree. Fine. Now you can see the picture of second apple here, which is of red color. If you are going to compare two things together, if you are going to compare just these two apples together, the first apple and the second apple, fine, at that time you have to use comparative degree. Fine. So you will say like that, the red apple is smaller than the yellow ones. ठीक है? You are going to compare two apples, so with that you have used comparative degree. And what is the superlative degree? When you are going to compare one thing with more than two objects, or like with more than two objects, that can be 3, 4, and like a number of objects will be there. Fine. Like दो से ज़्यादा होने चाहिए. With that you will have to use superlative degree. Like if you can say like that, the apple is the green apple is the smallest ones. ठीक है ना? So it means you are going to compare the third apple with all of the apples, with rest of the 2 apples. So we come to know, when we are going to describe about one object, one noun's quality, at that time we have to use positive degree. When we are going to compare two objects, at that time we have to use comparative degree. And most of the time in comparative degree, IER or more comes. ठीक है ना? More small, it can be more, smaller, smaller. ठीक है? Both are right. And when we are going to compare more than two objects, ठीक है, the quality of more than two objects, at that time we have to use the superlative degree. And in superlative degrees, EST comes or most comes. Fine. Now you can also find a number of pictures here. Light, lighter, lightest. ठीक है ना? This is the positive degree. Light, lighter is the comparative. Two things are compared. ठीक है? And lightest, in दोनों में से, तीनों में से सबसे ज़्यादा lightest क्या है? This is the pen. ठीक है? Fast, faster, fastest. ठीक है? If you are going to describe about one boy's quality, he is a fast boy, so you will use positive degree. Faster, the car is faster than the boy. ठीक है? And if you are going to describe about the jet, so and you are going to compare the rest of the two things, ठीक है ना? 3 things, so you will say the jet is the fastest ones. यानी आप इन तीनों में से compare कर रहे हैं. Now you can see some of the examples over here. Like I've already explained you, we use positive degree when we speak about only one person or thing. You can see here, LeBron James is tall. You are going to describe about one person's quality, he's tall. ठीक है? The house is big. A singular house है, you are going to describe about the house. This flower is beautiful. So you are going to describe about one flower. So for that you have used positive degree. Okay, now you can see the examples of some of the comparative degrees. You can see here the dog is bigger than the cat. So two animals are compared. So for that we have used comparative degree, and I told you er is used, ठीक है ना. And always remember than then is used. Then shows that two things are compared. So then is the keyword here to recognize that this is the comparative degree of adjective. The cat is fatter than the dog. So we come to know cat is fatter than the dog. Two animals are being compared. In sentence number 3, Peter is taller than Emmy. ठीक है ना. Two persons are compared. Alice is younger than James. So Alice जो है younger है. er is coming and then shows that two persons are compared here. ठीक है. Clara is more intelligent than Clary. ठीक है ना. Two persons are compared over here. Okay, now see, when we use superlative degrees, we use a superlative degree when we compare more than two persons or things with one another. ठीक है ना. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, when more than two things are compared, that time we have to use superlative degree. For example, you can see here, it is the highest degree of the quality. Like इसमें क्या, ये highest degree होती है quality की. Like you are going to describe about that thing that this is the best thing. ठीक है ना. Now you can see here Peter is the smartest boy in class. ठीक है ना. So you are describing about Peter that amongst all the students, amongst all the boys, he is the smartest boy. ठीक है. So always remember before the degree, the superlative degree, the article is comes. ठीक है ना. And est comes in superlative degree. Alice is the sweetest girl in the neighborhood. तमाम neighborhood में जितने भी पड़ोसी हैं उनमें सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लड़की है. ठीक है. So the is coming before the superlative degree. The blue whale is the largest of all animals. So blue whale is being compared with all the animals, that this is the largest of all animals. ठीक है. So superlative degree shows कि आप उसको सबसे तमाम चीज़ों से compare कर रहे हैं. Okay, I guess your concept of degrees of adjectives must have been cleared. I am giving you a very short activity to you. You don't have to attempt it in any piece of paper. Just do this orally, fine. Now see here, you have to use the correct form of adjective, whether comparative or superlative. ठीक है ना. Now see here, this is the dash chicken I have ever eaten. More delicious or most delicious? I told you before superlative degree the comes. So what is the superlative degree here? Second one is football is the dash sport of all. Now the is coming and you are going to compare football with all the rest of the games. ठीक है. So which degree of adjective will be coming, comparative or superlative? Third one is the weather is dash today than yesterday. ठीक है ना. Now two things are compared, then is coming. ठीक है ना. So when then comes th and then comes what is, which degree of adjective is used, comparative or superlative? Fourth one is Penny is dash than her sister. So then is coming. So which degree of adjective is to be used? Just consider this thing. Fifth one is that's the dash spelling word we have been assigned this week. ठीक है. Before the dash the comes. So which degree of adjective will be coming? Sixth one is basketball is a dash sport than fishing. ठीक है. You are like then is coming. So which degree of adjective will be there? Seventh one is winter is the dash season of all. The comes before the dash, before the adjective what you have to use, and amongst all the seasons winter is being compared. Now eighth one is Bobby is a dash child then Jimmy. Then comes, so which degree of adjective will be used? Okay, I guess classics, your concept of degrees of adjectives must have been cleared in your mind. You people take a very good care of your health. Fine. Till then, Allah Hafiz from my side.